Hey, what's up guys? This is Sohan and you are watching your Technical Spark channel. Friends, this is just an announcement video because to let you know that from today onwards I'll be starting one new series that is on SEPM. SEPM stands for Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager, and this is one of my really very favorite antivirus, okay, as well as the EDR solution, because the stability and the way it functions is just fabulous. And before I give the little bit of intro on the SEPM, just let me thanks to all of you guys for showing all your love and support on my previous series, that is on the Forcepoint, DLP as well as SQL clustering. Because so many people were getting confused while configuring the SQL servers into the cluster for the active passive, active likewise. And I'm pretty sure that in my previous series your lots of questions have been addressed. And so many people were asking me how exactly I'm choosing new series. Okay, so just to let you know that sometimes I raise the poll on my Telegram channel. You can also search for the Technical Spark on Telegram channel and become a member of this channel. As well as lots of time what I do, the people who have obtained silver and above membership. Okay, so I raise a poll in my that particular community which is available on the YouTube. Okay, and I randomly give certain products, and whichever product gets higher votes, okay, on that particular product I create series. So similarly this time I got lots of votes on Symantec series, so that's why I'm creating this particular video. As well as so many people have already commented me, sir, please create a video or entire series on the Symantec Endpoint Protection product. So yeah, so all your wish gets fulfilled here. And I'm pretty sure that after watching this entire series, you will get completely idea whether you are beginner, intermediate or expert level. Okay, you will get lots of things in this particular series to learn, and I'm going to explain all the things as per based of my capabilities, what I know in Symantec. And if you also would like to participate in my next poll, so that once this particular Symantec series is going to be complete, I usually raise a poll 2 weeks before, so that you all guys can raise your voice. So become a member. And to become a member, you just have need to click on join button on channel homepage. And one more thing, if you want to access videos very quickly as soon as it gets published, okay, because I usually post videos on my channel twice in a 1 week, but if you want to access it as soon as or you can say quickly, then you can become a member. Okay, and with just starter membership itself, you will get the early access of videos. You don't have to wait for Tuesday or Friday for me to publish the videos. You can directly access all the videos into the membership tab once you become member. And in this particular Symantec series, guys, Symantec itself is one of the very stronger product, but it also gets integrated with your EDR, as well as it has the GUP server, live update server. So everything I'm going to cover in this entire series, and I'm not going to explain so much things in this particular video, but as soon as we'll reach to that particular point or that particular topic, I'll cover everything, so that all your doubts will get clear in that particular section. Otherwise, if I explain more lots of things into this particular single video, and then if we reach to that particular topic, then it will be double work for you guys to refer the previous videos. So we'll keep all the things segregated as always, okay, so that you won't miss much things, and you will be able to learn all the things step by step as per your availability, or you can say your time, so that when you click on that particular topic, your all doubts will be clear and there is nothing pending which you have to learn or you have to explore. Because when we are working into the IT field, if you are just having one single product knowledge, then that is not enough. It's always better for you guys to have knowledge of multiple products. Whether you are just having the expertise into the AV, then don't just stick on the Symantec. Learn Trellix, Trend Micro, Kaspersky, so forth. There are so many products, okay, on which you can build your expertise. So that if you are switching the job, or you just want to be master in any of the product, okay, then these things will help you, because at the end technology remains same, only the little bit of GUI and the way the things are getting protected. It could be on the basis on the AVs, basically you are protecting basis on your signature, or artificial intelligence sometimes, as well as your machine learning. So these things are always same, there is just a slight changes. But the major things when you are switching from one product or AV solution to another AV solution, the GUI, how exactly the console, the functionality and other stuff gets completely changed. For that reason, once you gain the expertise into the any of the even a single product, then you will be able to understand all other products very easily. Because as I said, technology remains same. Only the GUI level changes happens when you are switching from one to another OEM. And in this series also, I'm going to cover the same thing so that you will be able to do a testing or production deployment with the help of this entire series. And I'm pretty sure this will help you a lot. And if you are also interested in this particular Symantec series, then please give me a thumbs up, okay? And share your feedback in the comment box, because I see so many people are just watching the videos but not sharing that you guys are feedback. So if you think wherever if I'm wrong in any of the things, or need improvement or any feedback suggestion which could help me or other audience which is watching the videos, then please feel free to put down into the comment box so that we all can grow together. And if you're already watching my videos and subscribe to this particular channel, then please share this link with channel link with other people also, so that they can also gain the technical capabilities and become good cybersecurity engineer in upcoming days. So I will not utilize lots of your time. So this is the message which I wanted to convey to all you guys. And with this, we'll end this video here. So thanks for watching. This is Sohan signing out. I'll catch you in the next amazing video. And in the next video, we'll probably cover workflow, how exactly the Symantec or you can say SEPM works. How many servers are required when you are configuring your server configuration, then followed by that system requirement, your support portal walkthrough, then your setup file download, license activation, and then installation. So this series will be keep going on, and we'll cover each and everything, guys. So hopefully you all are interested, and with this we'll end this video here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.